Hi guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto for you to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and XRP. So you can see that on all of them, they're actually kind of going down. Some of them I'm worried about, some of them I'm actually not. Because like one of them is Bitcoin, I'm not worried about that. Ethereum, I'm slightly worried. Chainlink, not really, it's following my plan. And XRP, kinda. So let's get into the video. So first thing is first is Bitcoin. I'm not worried about it because I thought this was a plan after I recorded the last video. I was like, oh, it's trying to run on top. So I think we might get this little dump. So, but we're back inside the channel. So I'm waiting. So if we break out of this channel, then we're going to go up. So maybe we could have a retest of 11,100 to like say that like this is fake out number one, fake out number two. But um then this double top, that means worked. Because you see we had a double top right here, down, down, or double bottom. So you take it like that, and you would have got it up right here to the point of where we broke out. And that was about where we went. So I think we could come down to retest of 11,000, or at least to make this our side go into a good buy. Right now, see, it was a good buy right here, and we tested it. So I think if we test this, this could be a good buy. But I think we're just going to test it really fast, and then we're going to go back up. So that's what I think on Bitcoin. It's following the plan because stochastic RSI, if we go up when it's red on top, it's not that good. We see how we came down here, and so it's almost turning to blue on top. So I think we should have a reversal soon and go up. So I'm not worried about Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the other hand, I'm slightly worried. Remember I said that if we break 384, we could come down to 331, which is a, what is this, 13% dump? Well, we are below the 384, as you see right here. We did fall out of this triangle, and if we fall out of this triangle, then we could come down to like when we started going up, or just saying parabolic. That's what I like to see, when we started going parabolic. So that means that if we confirm resistance here, we're going down to $312. But if we, this is the daily chart by the way, if we get another daily candle and we break above it and then we confirm support, that means it was just a fake up. I mean a fake down or fake out. So I'm worried about Ethereum a little because if we don't confirm this support on top of it, then we could go down to here, which is that's a 13% dump. So this could be like some kind of whale just sold, because this could be like him buying, this could be like him selling, because look at this kind of like the same, even if you count the wick. But the bulls were doing a good job. You see how much it came all the way down here, and then the bulls did a good job of retracing it here. So we should, well, I really hope that we're gonna actually go back up above $384. But we can see that we had this red volume spike a little bit here, but the volume was kind of going sideways, so there's nothing to worry about, because so there's not really nothing going on because there's not that much volume. It's been going sideways compared to this. There is volume, but it's just been going sideways volume, same price. Nothing big. So right now, I hope all that happens is that we go above this and then we confirm support. Then I will see what we can do. So next on Chainlink, I am completely not worried about this because Chainlink, if you look here, was going up like this. And you could count it like this, like I did right here, or you could drag this line up here, and it would go a little higher. But still, we came about to this target price of $11. So if this means, like I said, that we're gonna go to $8.30, but since we stopped right there, then we get the Fibonacci tracing, because usually it doesn't do it perfectly, but it did do about there. So see how we had this 70 cent change from it. But see the Fibonacci treatment, it comes to $7.92. So from there to $7.92, it is a 20% drop. So we can go back to here, and we could like draw this to be like that, and then we could draw this to $7.93. And so 20% drop might be what's happening to Chainlink, and I actually think it might be what's happening to Chainlink. But the stochastic RSI is a blue on top right now, and the Bollinger Bands right now, we're still above it. They're squeezing, and we're above it, above the 28 moving average. So I think right now so far so good. But if the Bollinger Bands right now are gonna open, this might not be the top. It's just like almost at the top, and we might still go to $11 because I did not see a big red candle. Because if there's a big volume red candle, then we're gonna be going up. I mean, going down. We're gonna be crashing to $7.93, which is probably about where we're gonna go after if we go to $11. So $11 from here, like I said last time, is about 10%. Yeah. So I think we can go up there, but we need the Bollinger Bands to open and the volume to be higher. And it's supposed to be green, not red. But I'm not scared of it falling. I'm not worried about it falling because it's kind of following my charts. It's doing this wave one, then wave two, and after that there's gonna be a bigger higher wave three. So that's what's cool because a bigger higher wave three, that's really good. And so if we do a wave two, then remember that we're gonna go even higher after the wave two because it's gonna be a wave three. So that's what I think on Chainlink. Either we go down right now if the volume would tell, or we go up higher to $11. The Bollinger Bands, we go below the 20-day moving average and we go to $7.93. So that's where we could go if there's going to be a red volume. But so far, I am not really worried about Chainlink. So last but not least, we have XRP. XRP, I'm kind of worried because you can see that everything was following it. So everything was following it. The triangle, the rise up in volume when we were going into it, the fall in volume when we were in the triangle, but we broke out. So what happened? What is a possibility is that you can see that we came for retest of this big support. Because if we would have broken that support, we would come down to 25 cents. This support is on 28 cents. We came down to it with a wick. And now we're going back up. So one thing I am worried about XRP, is that we broke below this triangle. This triangle is, like I said, a bull flag. Most people took a trade, and I think we could have gone from 40 cents to 43 cents. And we did get this red candle right here. So, I am slightly worried about that it's going to go down. But if we break 28 cents, then we could go down to 24 cents. But let's just check one more thing. So, you know that the 200-day moving average and the 20-day moving average was what was following us all the time. So when we were going up. So if you get the 200-day moving average all the way down here, so it's not going to help us. But if we look at the 20-day moving average, that's really a different thing. So the 20-day moving average is right here. We broke below it. And now we're trying to get above it again. You can see that we're trying to retest it. And the 20-day moving average is on right now 30 cents. So this is really bad news for XRP because the 20-day moving average is really important for trends. You can see that the whole time we were rising here, we were about above the 20-day moving average. So either we need to confirm the support above. We need to go above it and confirm the support. So on XRP, I think we might go down. I think we will go down because we've been going for a long time. And so if this is like just say a long, big 5-wave move, then we would have to count it with the Fibonacci retracement. Either we count it from where we started going hyper, which is, let's just count it from there. We started going hyper, we drag it like that. That means we already touched it with the wick and we should be going up. But if we take the whole thing, like when we started going here, or all the way down here, probably right here, because that makes the most sense, that would take us to $23 or $24. So that's where I think we could go if this is actually what's going to happen. At 24 cents, again, let's just check the 200-day moving average. It is actually where the 200-day moving average is. And that is really bad because that means we're going to have to come to a retest at the 200-day moving average. But it's also really good because we're going to take a support. That means we're going to get stronger. And that means we can go even higher. So last but not least, I have to check on the Bollinger Bands. Because the Bollinger Bands, they are right now squeezing. We are below the 20-day moving average. So this is really bad because if they open right now, which they look like they're gonna do, we're gonna go down. So how much we're gonna go down? Either we go down to, again, retest at 28 cents. If we break 28 cents, we're going to 24 cents. And 28 cents from here, where we are right now, is 4%. But from where we are right now, 24 cents is 16%. So that's what could be the dump. But if we go all the way to the 20-day moving average, 200-day, I mean, that would be a dump of 23%. And so if we don't get our support here, 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 and here, and here, then we're going to go down, except for Bitcoin. I think we're going to go up because this is following the plan, and Chainlink is also following the plan. But Ethereum and XRP, I'm worried about them right now. Ethereum, we need to break above this level to keep support. If we don't, and if we, the next day, I'll check the next day. If Ethereum is still under this level the next day, or tried to test it and got rejected, I think we're going to go to 330. And if XRP will not go above the 20-day moving average tomorrow, I think we're going to go down to 24 cents. So that's what I think on everything. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys next video. Bye!